Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So, I'm here with my Xeno Pixel V3 Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber, and I've installed two new sound fonts, both from Kyberphonic website. So, the reason some of these are just silent, there's no actual lightsaber sounds, is because those sounds have been deleted so I could make more room for those two new sounds. So it was kind of a difficult process because I had to download Dropbox and all that stuff. So it was a difficult process. It was not easy, let me tell you that, but it was a good challenge for my brain though, to figure out how all this stuff works. And the first one that I got was Ahsoka Tano, aka the Sorcerer, according to Kyberphonic, and the second was Shin, Hati, the apprentice of Baylan Skoll, also from the Ahsoka series, which I've named Moon Jedi and Snips through the Xeno app. So, I'm here to show you those two fonts, and I've also left some of the original fonts on the saber as well. So, without further ado, let's get into these two new fonts. So, the first one I'll be showing you is the Snips sound font, aka Ahsoka, the Sorcerer. So, if I hold it upside down, give it a twist, you'll hear it say Ahsoka Tano.
Ahsoka Tano.
There you go. Ah, yes. And I made sure to make it white too, just like Ahsoka's actual lightsaber. Now I can't use this lightsaber really fast compared to the base lightsabers, but still, I'll do the best I can. I've always loved Snip's lightsaber because of the ethereal hum. Like, listen to that. That is the sound of purity and pure redemption. Okay, and we still got all our typical effects. We got flash on clash, and we've got blaster deflection. We got blade lockup. And I also made sure to pick out which sounds I wanted to use too. So it doesn't have very many deactivations, but I did pick out which ones I wanted to use when I downloaded the sound. So right there, you didn't hear an actual deactivation. But anyways, let me try to find the other Shin, Hati sound font.
The Dark Sword.
So that's one of the original fonts I've already had on here. The Dark Saber.
The Assassin.
Maul.
The Knight. Wanderer.
Okay, so I've decided to put the Shin, Hati in the number 13 folder, and Ahsoka's was in the number 2. So the Shin, Hati came after the Dark Lord Order Vader font.
The Protector.
Obi-Wan Kenobi sound. Hello there. Because this is his lightsaber, that's why I kept it on there.
The Dark Empress.
Dark Ray.
The Sun.
Luke Skywalker sound with a rainbow blade. Anyways, let's keep going because I want to show you the Shin, Hati sound.
The Third Hunter. The Master.
Okay, after this next one, it'll go to Shin, Hati.
The Dark Lord Order.
Okay, after this one, here it comes.
Shin, Hati.
There you go. And it's orange. I made sure to make it orange when I was making the adjustments to the Xeno app. I've always loved Shin Hades because it was a unique orange color, just like her master, Balin Skull. But I didn't get the Balin Skull sound yet, but maybe I will in future. Oh, I love this. Oh, that is just perfect. And I've also added some tip drag effects. Oh, I love that sound, that swing sound. Okay, well I think that's gonna do it for this video. Follow for more if you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels. And both my YouTube channels, Cody's Reviews and Demonstrations and Cody Mitchell 66, sorry. And I also have a new Instagram account. It's, I'm still trying to remember the name of that one. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this little TikTok video where I showed you 2 new kyberphonic sounds that I put on this Xeno lightsaber for Obi-Wan Kenobi. So, as always, goodbye until next time. I love this!